Happy Karen Day.
No! Hindi ko maka.
Why is it Karen Day today?
Because you made it. Ewan, basta president ka na.
Yeah.
Dahil dyan, may CR duet tayo. Oh, may CR pala dun, no?
Oh. Dahil Karen Day today, ano ba yung ano natin, team song? Sige, dugtungan challenge. Oh, you got it wrong!
Again!
What's our team song? At third, hala, di mo alam, bro.
Oh, I know! Turn. Turn, magic! Ano ba?
It's the first. I don't like the way.
So random naman like we're glammed up tapos in sync.
From the CR.
Gawin ka na po!
Hanggang na lang yan. Yan.
Ate ko let my food is so good. Ate ko na, it's so good pa yun.
Before na po doon kami. Sorry if you want my love. Ow!
You remember that?
Yeah. What's wrong with you? Bakit ka ganun?
I don't know.
Bakit ka ganun? Ulong itlog na hulog. Guys, nakita niyo yung showtime
Excuse me po.
ni Kuya JM at saka Kuya Dylan.
Unforgettable. Naulitin.
Sure hindi ako sabi ko.
Ronald.
Shout out Ronald. That's my favorite. Hindi.
Maybe I love Jollibee.
I love Chowking.
I love all. The fast food in the life.
Correct, yeah.
Kanino to? Sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako sa'yo.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
What's the meaning?
Pwede mo padaan mo pa? Yung service.
Sabi ako. Sabi mo ba, Mark?
You wanna do this individually or together?
I asked Bito pwede daw together.
Together?
Is it together?
Kasi it's awkward.
When are you double jointed? Huh? Ever since po. It's congenital. I'm born with it. I used to always repeat that. Ever since I was like me.
I'm waiting.
Ano ba yan, Rain?
Can I have?
Bacon? Ayoko. Hindi ko. Ah.
Yes! Gusto ka talaga umupo.
Doon ko ako po sa ate ko na. We're party! Grabe.
Kayo tatlo na lang yung Harvard.
Oh, yes. Saan natin ang gawin?
Ito na lang.
Dito?
Bago tayo mababa. Mabilis lang naman. Siguro kaya natin yung one take, no?
Yeah, basic yan.
So ano?
Ano, later na. Binuba lang siya rin kasi katawa.
Bakit pwede naman yun ah?
Excuse me. They never stink. Sobrang Latina. Sobrang English era. What? Are you cameras, right?
Oo.
Ew. Pobebe, pobebe. Oh. Pobebers. You're so pobebers. You know that? Ronald, shout out Ronald.
Diba?
Hi, Ronald.
Parang may bodyguard
I
mo.
love you. Emerald.
Ano meaning nun?
Wala nang
Eme.
Emerald?
Emerald.
Emerald!
Talk like Ate Colette.
Emerald, I was a kid.
Talk, I'm gonna talk like Ate Colette.
Go.
We can...
Sige, magkatawa na tapos seryoso.
Laugh. Kaya talaga siya eh.
Loser.
Last.
Dito.
Katong makalata, katong mag-Facebook tapos, ano to? Katong sound. Magaling ako.
You make the face, you make the sound.
Okay. Me first.
Okay, sino mag-sound?
No, I'm gonna make the face.
Sige. Bakit mag-sound?
Sorry. Alright, ready?
Ikaw mag-sound.
Sige na.
Go, go.
Oh!
Uy, hila, uy.
Dito ako.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello!
Sige, layo ko.
Okay.
Dito ako.
Oh!
Okay, you make the face.
Ako mag-wait natin.
Oh, then Ate Colette will make the sound.
I'm just dedicated. Okay,
Go,
1, 2, 3, go. Ikaw na mag-make face, ako mag-make sound.
Well, dapat debut man tayo ngayon kasi mga magaganda tayo tapos ganun ang ginagawa natin.
Kaya mo ba?
Okay, this is only, ano.
Go, you.
Come on.
Make the face, I make the sound. Go.
1, 2, 3, ano?
Go, 1, 2, 3,
go.
Ang gagawin ko.
Okay, Meisner.
Let's do the lick smell.
No?
Ew!
Let's do that. Taste, smell. Example, smell. Taste, ganun.
Sige.
Ano yung taste? Yan.
Ano na?
I actually eat this all the time. Every time I go to Avenue.
True ba?
Oh,
Bakit?
let's lamig.
I don't get anything from you. Kasi I'm shy.
No,
No, they give it. Go.
Pag unsa mo?
Get. It's pineapple.
Ay, keto!
Get. Get.
Uy, makakagaluan.
Ako na lang.
Ano ba? Picture faces of Avenue.
Insert Piang dito. Someone edit Piang. Please
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
go.
Hold Fiang's face.
Screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot.
Tapos na yun.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot.
Nasa Sekihor daw si Piang.
Ay, sige.
Alam ko yan.
Yun siguro yung video na nakita ko.
Hindi.
Yes.
Okay.
Basta, someone just add Piang here.
Oh, please. I'm waiting my way.
Justin Bieber last song. Go. Baby.
Baby.
That's it. Yung ano ba? Just tumawa ka.
Ito.
Happy Ramadan. Happy Ramadan. Happy Ramadan.
I don't like the way you're looking at.
I love you, Celine Dion.
Hindi ako sumasama, di ba?
Sige. 3, 2, 1, go.
Cause I wanna see you happy. Kahit ano man ang iyong mapili. If it ain't us, then you know where I'll be.
24/7 for you, I'll be free. Di mo kailangan papatunayan ang iyong sarili, kinara ko dili mapunta. Oh, gabi.
Bro,
You stop!
I was gonna
Kato na, kanta na to.
Asan
Katong...
Asan doon?
Katong secret.
Oh no.
Hindi, yung hindi pa nila alam. Yung
At our favorite cafe, ako'y ganda. They know that, bro.
hindi nila alam yan.
They know. That's what the last line.
Sabi ko.
1, 2, 3, go!
At favorite ako'y tambay.
Mistika kay kalitra kababay. Ako promise na si mong gibiya. Kay imong gipili mo ato sa iya. Grabe ka, dali ra kang nakuha. Atong naagian, ni walang gibuyan. Tanang oras ko, paghigugma. Bale wala ra sa imuha. Ay, pero giving lang din mo, wing. Asa naman ka ni Ado? Diligid ko katuon na wala ikaw ako. Unsa may problema na ko. Kaya na akong magbago. Bisan sa may imong gusto, kay buhaton na ako. Kailangan mo pa ba ang akong paghigugma? O mas gusto ni mo ang gumang na aniya? Kay kung siya man dyan ang imuhang pilion, huwag ko'y mabuhat kung di ikay palaya. Umasan ako nagkulang, lahat naman ako lang gibuhat. Tanang oras o paghigugma, bale wala ra sa imuha. Ay, pero giving now ni mo. Ang lahat na niyado, diligid ko katuon na buwan na ikaw ako. Atong kalipay mong gitaligdan, unsa may wala ko nga naa sa uban. Karon ako diri nag-inusara, abi na ko na ikaw na. Giving now na ko nimo. Pasaylo ako itawon, diligid ko katuon, na wala ikaw ako. Dili ko kaya rani na to.
That's we didn't finish it. That's actually a nice song, no?
Actually,
You
job.
Kay tumbling. Ano bang nasa inyo?
this one. This song
Tumbling.
we made in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yung sa, yung sa...
Kitchen.
Yeah. 2, 3, go.
You gotta do it without me. Baby, pick up your feet, stop depending on me. You can do it by yourself. It's good to rely on someone else. It's hard to be to free myself without you with me. Love is I'm so sure I'll be fine without you. I can't know what I love.
Why did we make it so high?
I don't know what else. That's why we can't continue.
Kaya nga we didn't continue it.
Hindi natin natapos ito.
It sounds well. Oh, calling a bad romance. Calling a bad romance.
Yun lang.
Yun lang. Gaganda boses. Sino crush ni Ate Ray? Sino daw crush mo? I-review mo na.
Si Poo. Ito guys.
In the starlight, side by side, Kaya rain.
Sana kumanta daw ng maayos. Ayos ah.
Sino crush mo?
In this game, there are joyful.
Reveal ko naman.
Pagkita. Sino crush daw ni Colette? Ay!
Together forever. Sweet and true. Through every challenge, they break right through. With the